Hey guys, it's MonkeyHappy. Look, we got Ollie and Luke hanging out with us.
Say hi, Ollie.
It's pretty early for these guys. Pretty early for Luke too. I get up earlier than everybody. So we're gonna let these guys play. You've seen Happy went around and made sure everything was safe and secure for everybody. He's like, say, good morning. And look, Ollie's already checking all the new stuff. He loves it. So I'm going to release the Happy. There's a good chance he may go love on Luke a little bit. He hadn't seen him in a couple of days. He's pretty excited, but here we go.
Happy.
Release the Happy.
Hi, bro.
Oh, he did. I was
Hi,
right.
Happy. I saw you. You took a bath with Boo. Yeah, you had some playtime fun. I did.
So we're gonna watch Ollie jump around. Look at Ollie. You like that, Ollie?
Yeah, it looks
He's
like
you
yours.
did good work, Pete.
Yeah. Looks like yours. Oh, what's that thing, Happy? What's that thing, dude? Oh, yeah? It's okay. He's not gonna get you.
Oh, it's like, it's Wonderland. You like it?
He's like, oh, yeah.
He's like, you've done good. So all the new swing stuff came in Boo's mail this week. It is really cool. Very, very, see these guys are putting it quickly to use. We've actually got some more stuff to add to it. Nice. If this was like a skate park or a BMX park where they did runs, like Ollie would probably have the best runs.
He's running.
If Boo would really crank it up, maybe, but yesterday, Happy did the big jump from up there like Boo does.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So where he goes, like the beanbag?
Mhm.
Noise.
That's a big jump, bro. Yeah, that's a big jump.
like, I was
Happy.
nervous.
Oh, you were scared? But that was a big jump, dude. You're getting so brave. You're getting so brave. Hmm? Oh, yeah? A little bit of tongue action?
There was
Oh,
almost
Happy.
contact there.
He got right inside the ear. Right, he touched my brain there, Happy. Yeah, I know, it's not that impressive, but.
It's like, I've got something shiny, places to climb. You guys have fun.
Happy. What you doing, bro? Ball? You got red balls? Happy, I know you like balls too. Yeah, you got a perky one. Oh.
Destruction Happy.
Yeah, I can hear it. I can hear it in my good ears. It's like, the ball's all like, I'm a ball, I'm happy. Sad ball.
Sad ball. Oh man. Oh, you dropped it. I'll help you. I'll help you. Oh. Oh, oh, Happy. Oh, whiffed it.
Try to be on big.
Ollie.
Catch. Oh. Happy, what thumbs in there, bro? Oh man. Go guys, go.
Ollie's gonna be looking for an escape route here soon.
Happy. You gonna do a big jump for everybody? Up here. Wait a minute. Show everybody.
Was not expecting that.
into a neck hug.
It was like face in my mouth and then on my neck. I was totally engaged with Ollie.
Oh, it's okay.
He's like,
Monkey
jump all the way from the
meditation.
top.
Get my monkey zen on.
Oh, bro.
Happy's playing keep away from daddy.
4 minutes, Happy. Yeah, we're so sleepy. I'm sleepy too. Ollie's so hyper in the morning, huh? We'll see what he's doing, bro. See if he wants some breakfast. You gonna want some breakfast? Baby monkey breakfast. Yeah.
Oh, Ollie, thanks for that, dude. Look at my hand. That's fly. Gross. It's in my hair. I can feel it.
Yeah.
There's a wing. That was a wing.
Look, he's up there.
There's a wing right next to me.
Look.
It landed right.
You were victorious with the fly.
He's like, it's my fly. I already ate it. He's like, what? Oh, he's going after the other one.
All right. Look at Ollie. He's having fun. He loves that new stuff. Too early in the morning for Happy. He did do his big jump. He said, that's my new trick. And Luke didn't get to see it until the very end when Happy landed on his face. But it was fun. So we're going to play and have an exciting day. Pretty sure Happy's going back to sleep. He's like, I'm having a bottle. I'm going back to bed. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Ollie, show us some more tricks. Give him a kiss, Happy. Go, Ollie. Show us some tricks.
Ready? Come on. What you gonna do?
There you go.
Say thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Give him a kiss, Happy. So I love you guys.